In this video, we will demonstrate how to prepare a gram stain from colony growth off of an agar plate. This is often the first step to identify an organism off of the primary culture after 18 to 24 hours of growth. The gram stain is generally taken off of the blood agar plate, but if the organism does not grow on the blood agar plate, it would be taken off the agar it is growing. An example would be chocolate agar. A time-saving tip is to make your colony gram stains at the very beginning of your culture interpretation. Then, while they are heat fixing, you can interpret your colony morphology. By the time you are finished with your colony morphology documentation, the slide should be ready to gram stain. If you have multiple different colony morphologies growing on your agar, you can divide your slide with a wax pencil so you can gram stain them at once. Up to 4 organisms can be stained on the same slide. To prepare the slide, take your wax pencil and divide the quadrants on the slide as seen here. It may also be helpful to draw a circle on the bottom of the slide where you are going to place your organism. Remember, you don't want to add too much organism, so you may not be able to see where you place the growth with a naked eye. Next, label each colony type quadrant on the frosted edge of the slide with a pencil. You will use the isolate number and color or homolysis to indicate the identity. Also include your patient name and your initials to conserve identity. Now, place a very small, free-falling drop of sterile saline onto the area you will be adding the organism. The larger your drop, the longer it will take to dry, so think small. Sterilize your wire loop and let cool. Pick up the colony with your loop and gently mix in the saline. If you have a large colony, you will want to use only a small portion of that colony. If you have a small colony, you may need to use the whole colony. When mixing with the saline, you will want to emulsify and spread it out so you can easily visualize the organism's morphology and arrangement. You want to make a thin smear. Next, you will allow the slide to air dry and place on a slide warmer to heat fix for 1 minute. To save time, you can skip the air dry step and take directly to the slide warmer, but be sure that your organism smears do not run together and that you allow the slide to heat fix for at least 1 minute after it has dried fully.